Alrighty. Hey everybody, Shane with Diamond Scientific here, and an SWG-100 as you can see. And today I'm going to walk you through replacing a pump inside. So first things first, we'll need to disconnect the sample lines from both the incoming and outgoing of the ports, of the pump rather. Now that those are disconnected, of course, we'll all we need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So you can go ahead and locate the screws underneath the pump on this mounting bracket, and of course start to loosen them. They're very small screws, almost unnoticeable, so make sure you keep them close by, as they can be easy to lose. Alright, only 2 screws holding this pump onto its mount, so easy enough to remove. There's the other, and again, placing it by its partner. Okay, so the pump is free now from its mount, and we can trace its cord back to the main board. Want to undo that flap a little before removing the cords from their connection to the main board. There we have the old pump. We'll put that aside. All right, now the new pump. Take this new pump out. Apologies for the crinkling. It has 2 caps to cover the inlet and outlet when it arrives new. You can remove those. Okay, so we got the new pump, and we're going to go ahead and put it on its mounting bracket and try to visually line up the holes on the bottom for the mounting screws. Okay, I've got my first portion here. I'm going to place the screw into the hole on the bracket and then guide it into the position I want it. It's a little tight in here, but still workable. Now we've got it where we want it. We can use the screwdriver, which definitely helps because, again, these screws are quite small and hard to get your fingers on. Hard to twist with your fingers, for that matter. Okay, and I'm now putting the second screw into the mounting bracket, into the bottom of the pump to hold it in place. Again, just tightening until the top of the screw is flush with the mounting bracket. No need to over twist. Okay, and then we can go ahead and tuck these wires in where the rest of the wires go. Behind these pressure tubings, 2 pieces of pressure tubing, and plug it right back in where the original was on the main board, and that's that. Now we can go ahead and reconnect the hoses, this being the gas flow going in, coming out of the valve below, and then we'll take the hose coming out from the pump and reconnect to the right side. And that's a pump replacement. Thanks again for watching.